technology is anything that makes people disabilities' lives a little easier. Some examples are eye gaze technology, which can be useful for if they have limited mobility. This, they can just look at a screen with pictures and words on it, and the computer will talk for them. A communication board is something where the user can point to a picture with their hands if they don't have mobility problems, and talks for them as well. Sip and Puff is something they can also use to communicate, but it can also help them move their wheelchair. They sip an air, they puff it out, and that technology uses it to talk or move their wheelchair. Lifter level is a special type of spoon that moves when the user moves, because sometimes people with disabilities, they have tremors or they shake a lot, so they accidentally drop their food. So this helps them by moving with them instead of against them, and that helps them eat better. Technology is also useful for people with autism. Picture schedules are something very useful, because sometimes just telling a child with autism what is happening during the day might be confusing for them, and pictures are a little easier for them to understand. Sometimes people with autism also have sensitivity issues, so something simple as brushing their teeth can be difficult for them. A sensory brush gives them sensory input that they desire without being too rough. And also, they also have sensitivities to certain types of textures, so that's why they can have troubles brushing their teeth, but sensory toothbrushes can help them with that. Sometimes people lower on the autism spectrum have difficulties communicating, so a communication device such as DynaBox or the Smart Zone app can make it easier for them to communicate with their fellow peers. And here are some citations.